Are you checking your investment portfolio constantly? That little habit of refreshing your Nutmeg app to see the latest number might be the reason you're confused about your actual investment performance. The truth is, understanding how your Nutmeg investment is doing isn't just about the current price. It's about knowing where to look for the right metrics and understanding the long-term view. Nutmeg is designed to be simple, and all the information you need is in your online dashboard or the mobile app. Here's a quick guide to checking your performance like a pro. The first place to go is your main dashboard. This gives you an overview of all your pots, your ISAs, pensions, and general investment accounts. When you click into any specific pot, you'll see the key numbers. The most important figure to focus on is your time-weighted return. You'll see this labeled clearly. Why is this important? Because it shows the true performance of the investment managers, completely removing the distorting effect of your contributions and withdrawals. If you add a lump sum on a good day, it doesn't artificially inflate the manager's performance number. It gives you an honest look at how the portfolio itself has grown over time. Next, you can dive deeper into performance graphs. Nutmeg lets you view your returns over different time periods, 1 month, 1 year, 3 years, or even since inception. You'll see your portfolio's line compared against a market benchmark, which is critical. The goal of a managed portfolio is to perform well against its peers, and these graphs help you see exactly how your chosen investment style is stacking up. Finally, for the really curious, look for the asset allocation section. This shows you exactly what you're invested in, the mix of stocks and bonds, the countries, and the sectors. This level of transparency is where you can confirm that your investments are still aligned with your risk level, from low risk to high risk, and your chosen style, whether it's fully managed or fixed allocation. In short, focus on the time-weighted return for the fairest picture, use the performance graphs to maintain a long-term perspective, and check the asset allocation to ensure you're on track. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and knowing how to read your performance correctly will help you stay patient and committed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.